video. I have this from Roadie again. Unfortunately, our whole FDF kit, a whole bunch of stock that is coming into New Zealand is actually in customs and they won't release it. So I think we just need this. Well, I don't think it'll be here by the weekend, so we just need this to put it in my car again, and we should be able to roll again. We do have a whole bunch of pipe. So this is my current screamer, or my current wastegate pipe. And for Manfield, you need to either have it plumbed in or exit out the back of the vehicle or past the door or something. So we got a whole bunch of pipe, and we're going to be going, I don't want to plumb it in, so we're just going to add a V-band, I think, to the bottom of the wastegate pipe that we have already, and then we're just going to run it all the way to the back. So I think that's what the go is. Nick was here last night having a look at it, and then Russell's on his way down soon, and he's going to have a play with it, and we'll see what we come up with. We've got to do it to this car, and we have to do it to the Laurel. So we do, hopefully tonight we can kind of get this one done and get it off the hoist, get it out of the way, then we can focus on the Laurel and kind of get that thing ready to go. But yeah, also if you follow me, we do have a new addition to the shed. We have Zach from Glissade NZ. So Zach has moved up from Dunedin. We will catch up with him and chuck him in a video when he's down here. But yeah, he's moved up from Dunedin and brought his car with him. And he actually has a few cars, but yeah, he's going to be moving into the workshop because, unsure if I've told you guys, but Marsh has moved out purely because he wanted his own space so he could do painting and bodywork and stuff. And obviously down here it was just covering everything in bog dust and everything. So yeah, Marsh has moved out, Zach's moved in. Marsh is actually still outside because he's still here. Like, he's still going to be around. It's not like he's going anywhere. It's just simply his workshop's moved around the corner. So, which is cool for him, so he can start doing cashies and after work and after hours stuff and weekend work and whatnot. So, yeah, if you guys need a paint job, hit him up. But yeah, just thought I'd introduce you. If you guys saw this in the background, it's not a surprise. But yeah, so Zach is here. It's got a NA2J in it. We'll catch up with him later, and he can kind of run over everything. But yeah, their YouTube channel is actually Glissade NZ, so I'll get Leo to chuck it up on the screen, and you guys can yeah, head over there and give him a follow and see what he gets up to, because it's going to be, yeah, he's going to be filming down here as well. It's going to be quite cool seeing two different kind of styles and two different kind of things going on in the same place. But yeah, let's get into this and put this in, and then hopefully Russell shouldn't be too long and we can kind of get straight into it. He's just going to tape it together, shoot it back to his workshop, glue it all together, and then we can just run it. So hopefully that's all right. I'm pretty sure that's all this car needs, and it just needs a hell of a good wash, but that can be tomorrow. So yeah, go chuck this in. Yeah, hey. Are they left hand? Which way do they go? Huh. Right, so another job that needs to be done before the weekend is we need to fit up all of our new wheels. So yeah, we've jumped on the Strom train and yeah, got a bunch of them in, which is sick, and there's a whole lot more coming. But yeah, we've got, these are all for both my Estadine and Steph's Laurel for our drift cars. So yeah, we're going to get some tyres fitted on them tomorrow, so hopefully later in this video you guys can actually see what they are. So yeah, I'm not going to show you just yet, but we'll yeah, get them on the truck, and yeah, hopefully tomorrow we can get them fitted up so you guys can see them. So yeah, this weekend they were wanting to do a 265 class and a 235 class, so we got the new Kenda KR20AX. These are like the Formula Drift kind of tyres that they ran this year. These have just come in, so we were going to run them these this weekend, but unfortunately the 265 class isn't going to happen, so we're just going to be running standard KR20 Kendas that we have for 235. So unfortunately we don't get to test these out yet. I may take some just in case. And what did you say, Homo? And yeah, we might take some and have a little turn on them, but yeah, it's a 235 class, so we'll have to take most of those. So I'll put this back. All right, so we have Russell here from RPM Fabrication. stop down, because if we can get this car done, we can get it off the hoist and we can like have the Laurel ready for tomorrow. So yeah, Russ, we've just taped the V-band together and bits and bobs that we think we're going to use. So Russ is just going to grind it to make it how it needs to be. And yeah, we're going to just kind of tape it all together. Then he's going to take it to his workshop, take it all together, and then hopefully it's all good. We're just going to simply, I'll put my phone light on under here so you can kind of see. We're just going to come down here and then run it straight. And it's just going to go straight. It's just going to run it straight, probably to run it to one of these bolts or something, thread something onto it. Job done. Back from RPM Fabrication. Russell has made this way better than it needs to be. It's so sick. So yeah, this is what this is our original one. Added the V-band on there. We can put this on there and then go all the way to the back. So even got a little tab there for it to go into the, I think it's the gearbox crossmember or something. Yeah, gearbox crossmember. So yeah, fuck, it better fit. It's getting late, so yeah, I just want to get home. But look, we're nearly there. One car's nearly there anyway. So no, it looks good. Look how good these are. I'm sure Leo's showed you guys what's going on, but yeah, far out. Too good. Cheers, pal. Perfect. Look at that. Oh, we'll just give it a little. All you need to do is make it like half moon it, cut it, and then you can slot it in there, and then it'll be. Just straight at the deck, bro. Just needs a good 90 off the bottom and hoo-hoo. All right, that's us done for the night. We will see you guys tomorrow and we'll do it all again on the other car. All right, sweet. So it is now the next day. We've got Nick and Grant are here. They are doing the wastegate on the Laurel, trying to get that sorted. But we did get our tyres fitted up with some KR20s, some Kenders, and these are our new ones, our Stroms. We're going to be running these are the DS35s, I believe, and yeah, we're going to be running them for the foreseeable future. Yeah, they're a sick wheel. We're running 10.5s on the rear and 9.5s on the front. My car's sitting outside with a full set on there, so we're going to be running a black on the passenger side and white on the driver's side. So just kind of, we weren't sure what colour to go with, so just thought we'd go with both. So yeah, I'm just going to bang these on the Laurel while it's up there. Got to take the fronts off my car because they need to go get balanced. And yeah, we'll just kind of make it all happen in the next like 24 hours because I want to be loading up tomorrow night so we can kind of be ready to go on Friday. So yeah, get Leo to check out my car. It looks nice out there. We'll just give it a wash, and it's yeah, we'll get a bit of B-roll and yeah, you can check it out. Also shout out to 360 Link, who are the importers of Kenda. They hooked us up a fresh set of wheel nuts for both cars. So I've got red ones on mine and we've got black on this one. Yeah, they're just mint because they're 17mm. So Nick's going to just get grinding. So it's a bit of a contraption going on over there to make it work for the weekend, but it is what it is. Just don't look. we've been going as hard as we can, as fast as we can. We're nearly there with the wastegate for the Laurel, but the whole saw was hitting on the inside, so we've got to cut the weld and take it off and redo the hole and stuff, but that's just another day's problem. We're all tired, we're all hungry, and yeah, it's getting late, so we're going to tackle that again tomorrow. But yeah, most of the things are done. We've got to do a few things on my car, so we'll just carry on with this video tomorrow. And yeah, we've got a couple things to do. We've got to put the gearbox oil actually in my car because I forgot to do that. So luckily we remembered, so I've put it on the bonnet so it's not forgotten. And then we can yeah, just kind of tidy everything up tomorrow, and we can load everything up hopefully tomorrow night. Put both cars on the trailers, get all the tyre racks loaded up and everything, just so then we're ready to go on Friday as soon as possible. So yeah, all right, we'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, so it's the next day. I've only just got here, it's already late, but the boys have been down here thrashing. Nick's managed to sort out the wastegate, plumbed it into the Laurel, yeah, which is sick. Thanks, massive thanks to him for that. The 13, I don't know what we're gonna do there. I think we're just gonna run it and see. We might just take some, yeah.
Yeah, 13s are
yeah. Surely, I don't know, we'll see how fucking picky they're gonna be, but it is what it is. We'll just have to deal with it on the day. But yeah, the boys have been down here, so we've got both trailers, both tow vehicles. We're not gonna actually tow with the van. Russell's gonna tow the 13 with his truck, which is cool, so then the boys can all just go in the van full of shit. But yeah, we've got both cars just running at the moment. Everything's done. The new wheels are all on. Got the front tyres balanced today at Simo's Tyres, thanks to Jam. So yeah, that was mean. But yeah, I think for the most part we're pretty good to go. So yeah, we'll get in there, load these cars up while it's still light because it's annoying doing it in the dark. So yeah, let's get to it. So a few hours later, we have everything loaded up. We've got both cars on the trailers, tyre racks are full. The van is full of everything else we need, I think. Yeah, and then tomorrow it's just come down here, hitch up and fuck off. So yeah, it's about a 4.5, 5 hour drive down to Fielding. So yeah, excited for the weekend. It's gonna be good. Hope I don't suck and we can kind of pull together. It looks like the comp's actually really small, which is a shame. But it is what it is, but there's still a lot of practice driving and stuff going on as well. So we've taken a bunch of other wheels, got some semi-slicks, some 265 radials, just whatever we had in the shop to just kind of make the most out of it. The comp is a 235 radial comp, so we'll just do that with the Kenders that we do have, but yeah, we'll just have everything else for a bit of you know, practice and stuff like that. I'm really keen to try these, the KR20AX, the new ones from Kenda. I've got one pair of them, so I'll try them somewhere throughout the day and just see what they're like. But yeah, it's all good. We're ready to go. Can't thank the boys enough. Everyone that was here slogging away on the cars to get everything done over the last couple of days. Steph for bringing down dinner, keeps the boys fed and keep them going. So it's really good. Yeah, I think we're good to go. Yeah, I hope everything just works out. So yeah, anyway guys, thanks heaps for watching. Hope you guys yeah, do enjoy the videos. We have been super busy and trying to keep up to date with everything and work and whatnot, but yeah, it's all good. Thanks heaps for watching guys. Make sure you do like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.